Heard about Memo Clarity and wondering if it's magic, mayhem, or just marketing? Let's break it down. No nonsense. If you searched for Memo Clarity Reviews 2025, you probably ran into a wild mix of results. Here's the shocker. Memo Clarity isn't a single famous supplement software or anything you can just buy with one click. Instead, the name pops up across all sorts of things: speech-to-text apps, brain supplements, even business tools for writing memos. Confusing, right? Now, if you're after brain-boosting supplements, you'll find similar names like Memo Max Pro or Memo Defend, actual products with customer reviews, and yes, some bold claims. But Memo Clarity itself? There's no official product, no clear reviews, and no company to call out, for now at least. So is Memo Clarity a scam? Not exactly. It's more like a case of mistaken identity. If you're shopping for supplements, double-check those names and make sure you're buying what you really want. And hey, if you find the real Memo Clarity, let the rest of us know.